Hello! If you are a middle school math teacher who loves the game Wordle, in this video, I'm going to share with you a super awesome new tool that is like Wordle, but for math. It's super, super fun, and I cannot wait to show you more. If we don't already know each other, my name is Kathy Martin, and I'm the creator of the Prealgebra Teachers Middle School Math Membership. We are your one-stop shop for everything you need to teach middle school math. So if you love the New York Times game Wordle, where you have to figure out the 5-letter word for the day, then you are going to love this video because I'm going to share with you the Wordle version, but for math. Okay, shall we jump in? All right, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you and put myself up here. So you can see here, if you just type in into Google Wordle for math, this should come up, but the URL is up here. It is mywordle.strivemath.com. Okay, in this particular game, you don't need your word to be 5 letters, but I would try to keep it as short as possible if it's possible. I know that there's so many words that we could use in math. So I'm going to show you how it works. So here is what pops up when you go to the website. So you're going to create whatever word you want. And again, it doesn't have to be 5 letters. So I'm going to pick the word ratio. So mine is going to be 5 letters. And you'll just hit generate link. And then you can copy the link and send it out to your students. Or I'm just going to click it and let's play. So here is, so you can tell your students, okay, you can give them a hint. You can tell them, or you can give them no hints. But for me, I might say something like, okay, this is a word that has to do with, the current fractions, chapter that we're on. And maybe a student will guess, I don't even know. So maybe they guess, they're like trying to put it in fract. No, I'm going to hit enter. Oh, apparently that's a word. And look okay, so the yellow means these letters are in the word, but it is not in the right place. I just totally made up that word fract. I didn't even realize that was a word. So, so the yellow means it is in the right place, or it's in the word, but not in the right place. So now I know the word has an R, A, and a T, but no F and no C. So let's say I now say, okay, so I know R-A-T, let's say rated. Okay, that's not necessarily, doesn't follow my clue, but I just want to show you for this particular purpose. So now I know, see how this is green now? Now I know the R, A, and the T are in the right place. Now I'm just missing these 2 letters. So you can have your students, talk it out. Okay, it's ratio, enter, boom, you won. Okay, so this is super fun. This would be a super fun warm-up activity, or maybe a Friday activity. You could have students take turns and come up with words and have, the whole class play. There are so many different ways that you could use this, and it's just a fun alternative way to kind of incorporate building more of that vocabulary in math, using technology, and it's just a fun way for students to play and play together, especially. So if you want to do this as a whole class, you definitely could. Or you could break the class up into 2 teams and play them at the same time. It's totally up to you, but it's free. mywordle.strivemath.com. I will try to put that in the description of this video so you can easily click it. But if not, if it's not there, it is mywordle.com/strivemath.com. Hope you enjoyed this video and let me know what you think if you decide to play in your classroom. Bye for now.